Hello all. In continuation to the previous videos, today we'll discuss one more interesting topic, that is rounding of number. Okay. These rounding of number concepts will also come in various competitive exams. Okay. We'll discuss various types of methods. How will you round of a number nearest to tens value, hundreds value, thousands value? Those topics we'll discuss now. Okay. Suppose if you want to do rounding of a number to nearest to 10. Okay, we'll solve this problem by taking some simple examples. Okay, and suppose the example is I'll take simple example as 74. Okay, rounding up this number to nearest to 10, tens means this answer is 70, because when we want to compare this rounding of number to nearest to tens, what is the one digit position? One digit position is 4. That is unit digit position is 4. 4, the logic is when unit digit position is less than 5. Okay, unit digit position is less than 5. To round this number to nearest to 10, just to replace this unit digit position with 0. That is because 4 is less than 5. Okay, so what is the nearest to tens value? 70. Okay, but in the same question, okay, if the question is like this, 76. Okay, what is the rounding of nearest number to tens value? Okay, so here the 6 is greater than 5, that is unit digit position. Unit digit, what is the value? 6. 6 is greater than 5. So in this case what will happen? Unit digit position you have to just replace with 0, but tens digit position you have to add 1 over here. 7 plus 1 what? 8. Okay, the nearest value of tens for 76 number is 80. This is another condition. When number less than 5, this condition you just to replace the unit digit position with 0. So that is the nearest to tens value. Okay, when the digit is greater than 5, then replace the unit digit position with 0 and tens digit position just add 1 over here. So that is the nearest to 10 value when the unit digit position is greater than 5. But there is another condition, when the unit digit position is equal to 5. Okay, so example 75. Okay, 75. In this case what? The number is equal to 5. Then in this case also, just to replace unit digit position with 0 and just add 1 over here. So nearest to tens digit value, tens number for this 75 is 80. Okay, so the logic is when you want to rounding of a number to nearest tens number, always the base logic is compare the unit digit position, that is 4 is less than 5. Second, 4 is less than 5, then always replace this unit digit position with 0. That is the nearest to 10 digit number. Here the number is greater than 5 because 6 is the unit digit position, that is greater than 5. So in this case unit digit position just replace with 0, 10th digit position just replace with 1. Add 1 and the number will be 80. When the number equal to 5, that is unit digit position is equal to 5, then in that case unit digit position also just replace 5 with 0 and the tens digit position just add 1 over here, that is 80. These are the logics. Yeah. Now we'll discuss the same concept, but it is nearest to 100. Rounding of a number to nearest to 100. Okay. So example 789. Here always when you want to round off a number to nearest to 100, always compare the tens digit position. Okay. Here what is the tens digit position? Okay. We say that the answer directly to 800 because we know 789 is almost near to next 100, that is 800. Okay. But here the logic is what? Tens digit position is what? 8. 8 is what? 8 is greater than 5. So when the tens digit position is greater than 5, replace unit digit position with 0, tens digit position also 0, and for 100 digit position just add 1 over here, that is 7 plus 1 is 8. So when this, so the base logic is always compare the tens digit position with 5. So here the logic is this number is 8 is greater than 5. So similar way 755. Here what is the tens digit position? The tens digit position is 5, but 5 is equal to 5. In this case also 0, unit digit position replaced with 0. Okay, and 5 also 0. Okay, what is the next digit? That is 7 plus 1, because it is when the what is the condition we discussed in the previous, that is when is 5 is equal to 5 also, just replace this 7 plus 1, that is 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So what is the nearest to 100 number for 755? That is 800. Similar way, when the number is, that is 10th digit position is less than 5. In example 725. What is the 10th digit position? This is unit, this is 10th digit position. What is the 10th digit position? That is 2. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. In this case, what is the nearest 100 number for this one? Just replace unit digit position with 0 and 10th digit position also 0, and here we should not add anything because the 10th digit position is less than 5. So just keep the same number. That is the logic. So what is the nearest number? Nearest 100 number for 725, that is 700. Yeah. Now we'll discuss rounding off a number to nearest 1000. This is also similar to the concept which we have discussed earlier. Okay, which we have discussed earlier. That is here example. We'll discuss these problems by taking some simple example. Okay, 2, 4, 5, 9. Okay, so here the question is we want to rounding of this number to nearest 1000. So when here the condition is we always take the base of 100 digit position. What is the 100 digit position? Okay, 2459. 2459. Here 4 is less than 5. When 4 is less than, because the 100 digit position is less than 5, then rounding off this 1000, this given number to nearest 1000, replace 9 with 0, that is unit number position with 0, and here also replace 10th digit position with 0, and replace 100 digit position also with 0. Okay, and just write down the same number as it is. Okay, that is rounding off this number 2459 to nearest to 1000 is 2000, because the 100 digit position 4 is less than 5. Okay, so example, we'll take one more example. 2501. 501. Here also the base comparison is what? 5, because what is the 100 digit position? That is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Here the when for this condition is what? When 5 is equal to 5 means this number is not less than 5. So replace this unit digit position with 0, tens digit position with 0, and 100 digit position also 0. And for this 1000 position, just add 1 over here. Okay, 3000. So when the 100 digit position is equals to 5 or more than 5, then the nearest 1000 value we should follow this logic. So what is the nearest 1000 value for 2501? That is 3000. Okay, and we'll discuss one more problem. That is 2798. Okay, straight away within second single 1 or 2 seconds we can tell the answer. That is 3000, because what is the logic we discussed? When the number is equal to 5 or the number, what is the 100 digit position? This number is greater than 5, because 100 digit position, what is the number? 7. 7 is greater than 5. In this case, what is the logic? Replace unit digit position with 0, replace 10th digit position with 0, replace 100 digit position also 0. But what is the logic behind in the 1000 digit position? Just add 1 over here. 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 3. So what is the answer? 3000. So this is the logic you have to follow when you want to find out the nearest to 1000, rounding off a number to nearest 1000. So always the logic depends on the what number present in the 100 digit position. If it is less than 5, rounding up the number means just to add 0 over here. Okay, in the unit position, tens position, and 100 position. If it is less than 5, just don't add anything. Straight away write the number. But if it is equals to 5 or greater than 5, we have to follow this logic, right? Like just add 10 unit digit, just add 0, tens digit add 0, and 100 digit also add 0. But only in 1000 position, just add 1, because it is near to the nearest to 1000. That is the logic. So these methods we will use in any competitive exam to solve the problems in a very efficient way. Thank you.